Hello everyone. Let's discuss the mountains, plateaus, deserts, lakes and rivers of South America. So let's draw the map first. So broadly this is South America's map. This is 0° equator and this line represents Tropic of Capricorn. In the last video, we already said that equator passes through three countries in South America. तीन देशों से इक्वेटर पास हो रही है. So पहले country was Ecuador, then Colombia ऊपर से नीचे का portion southern part of Colombia touches equator, and then the Brazil. If you look at Tropic of Capricorn, it covers four countries. So first is Chile. Second, if you see in the sequence, you'll find Argentina, northern part of Argentina. Third, if you look at that would be Paraguay. And fourth country is Brazil. So these four countries through which Tropic of Capricorn passes. Now let's see the mountains and plateaus in this map. Mountains, plateaus as well as deserts. So Andes is the mountain system Andes is the mountain system that runs from northern tip of South America till the southern tip of South America. And that is why it is also said that it is the most continuous mountain system in the world. It is a fold mountain, obviously, it is a young fold mountain, not as young as Himalaya, but it is also an example of a young fold mountain. The most important thing about this mountain system is that it is highly continuous mountain system. If you look at the uh, Rocky Mountain system of North America, that mountain system was highly dissected, but this one is more or less continuous mountain system and which extends from northern tip of South America till the southern tip of South America. Okay, so this is the mountain system. In this mountain system, if you look at over here, you'll find the highest peak of this mountain system. So highest peak of this mountain system is called Mount Aconcagua. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak of this mountain system. And this Mount Aconcagua lies in Argentina, obviously near the border of Chile. Now let's see the plateaus, the important plateaus of South America. So over here you'll find in this part, rather first let's go to this part, the northernmost part. This part is Guinea or Guyana Highlands, and this part is Brazilian highland. Brazilian highlands. So these two are the highlands found in the uh, South America. Then coming to the important deserts. Over here in Peru, you'll find a desert called Sechura, Sechura Desert. And then a long desert over here called Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert. And in Argentina, we'll have another desert over here called Patagonia Desert. Patagonia Desert. Atacama Desert, if you look at it, is present in parts of Peru, southern Peru, then northwestern part of Argentina, very small part, parts of Bolivia, and obviously Chile is also there. So these four countries where this Atacama Desert is present. So basically at the junction of these four countries, this desert is present. Patagonia is in Argentina. Atacama, if I write, so Peru, parts of Peru, then Bolivia, then Argentina, and then Chile. Anyway, so these are the deserts of South America. Now let's look at the rivers and lakes of South America. So this is equator and this part is Tropic of Capricorn. So first let's figure out the lakes. We'll talk about two important lakes of South America. दो important lakes पे बात करेंगे. एक है लेक टिटिकाका. This is Lake Titicaca. Lake Titicaca is present at the border of Peru and Bolivia. So over here you'll find Peru and this country is Bolivia. If you remember, I told you that Bolivia and Paraguay are the only two landlocked countries in entire South America. So Lake Titicaca. In fact, Lake Titicaca, if you look at, it is a freshwater lake present in the Andes Mountains, and it is said to be among the highest navigable waters of the world. So, Lake Titicaca. Then, if you look at a country over here called Venezuela, over here you'll find a lake called Lake Maracaibo. Maracaibo or Maracaibo, both will work. Lake Maracaibo, it is in Venezuela. So, Lake Maracaibo, if you look at the significance of this lake, Lake Maracaibo is famous for huge reserves of petroleum. Anyway, so these are the two important lakes of South America. Now let's look at the important rivers of South America. So starting from the northern side, Over here you'll find near this Guyana Highlands, these are the Guyana Highlands. So near this Guyana Highland there is a river called Orinoco River. So Orinoco River originates near this Guyana Highland, flows westward, and then ultimately moves towards the right and finally drain into Atlantic Sea. So this is Guyana Highland and this river is Orinoco. So Orinoco River flows through, if you look at this country is Venezuela and Colombia. So then after this you'll find Amazon River, the largest river of the world in terms of volume. This is River Amazon. And obviously River Amazon starts on the uh, Andes Mountains and a number of countries are drained by this largest river of the world. Countries might be, Peru could be there, then Ecuador could be there, Bolivia could be there, Colombia is there. So a lot of countries gets water from Amazon River. In fact, from this side, from the left side of the Amazon River, you'll find a very important tributary called Negro River. And from the right side, if you look at, there is another important tributary called Madira River. So, and obviously this combined river is Amazon River, which is the largest river of the world in terms of volume. In terms of length, it is the second longest river after River Nile, which is in Africa. Anyway, so over here you'll find near this Brazilian highland, you'll find a river originating and moving eastward called São Francisco River. São Francisco River. Then near to this origin of São Francisco River, another river flows southward and this river is called River Parana. River Parana. And this River Parana on the right bank is joined by a river called Paraguay River. So Paraguay countries, he originated a river at Paraguay River. Then ultimately this river is Parana River. So these are the important rivers of South America. Just to give you a one more fact, if you have heard of something called Angel Fall. So Angel Fall is said to be the highest uninterrupted waterfall in the world. Highest uninterrupted fall. Its height is nearly 1,000 kilometers, 980, not kilometers, 980 meters. So near to 1 kilometer, from 1 kilometer height, this fall, this waterfall falls and make a plunge of nearly 800 meters. And this fall is present at a river called Churu River, Churu or Churun River. And Churun is a tributary of Karo River. It is also called Karoni River. So दोनों में कोई भी word लिखा हो चलेगा. Karoni or Karo River. And ultimately, Karuni or Karo River meets with Orinoco River. Orinoco हमने पढ़ा. So this is Angel Fall. Okay, so this would be all for the day. Thank you so very much. See you in the next session.